Hands world. Come along and say hello.
Welcome to Derek's World, the Fearless Camper. Under the moonlit sky, a new adventure begins.
Hi, I'm Derek. I can't wait to go camping. It's going to be an awesome adventure.
Are you ready to join Derek on his journey?
But first, I need to get everything ready. Let's go! I'll let you in on a little secret. I'm kinda afraid of the dark.
Don't worry, we've got this.
Derek wasn't just any 12-year-old. He was known for his love of adventure. Today, he was about to embark on a journey to a campsite tucked away in the mountains. This trip wasn't just about camping. It was about finding courage.
Uh-oh, it's getting dark fast. I should start setting up the tent before the sun goes down. What's that noise? Oh, it's just an owl, right? I mean, I know it's just a bird, but why does it sound so spooky out here?
As the sun went down, Derek felt a little scared. But then he used a lantern to make shadows that looked like happy animals.
Maybe if I sit outside for a bit and look at the stars, I'll feel better. I'll keep my flashlight close, just in case.
Derek hoped that gazing at the stars would cheer him up. He nestled outside with his flashlight, slowly getting used to the dark.
I'll imagine the stars are like friendly nightlights, keeping me safe. You know, once you face your fears, it's like you can finally see what you've been missing. I'm going to make a special bracelet to wear at night. I can do this. I am brave and strong. I think I can sleep without the flashlight tonight.
Derek found out that he could beat his fear of the dark by being brave and determined. He was ready to face the night without fear.
Hi there, I'm Derek. Today, I learned that being brave and facing our fears helps us see the true beauty around us. When we believe in ourselves, we grow stronger every day. What did you discover today?
At Happy Hands World, we create fun sensory kits and stories to help you explore, learn, and shine. Join our adventures and share your own discoveries. Let's grow and learn together. Follow us for more exciting journeys.